voluntary siyang umalis. What we're protecting actually is the sanctity of the Senate, hindi siya. Like any other citizen, he has his rights. As a person, as Alan Cayetano, as a lawyer, I'll protect his right kahit saan siya. As Senate President, I'm protecting the integrity ng Senate. Na kung mag-aaresto ka dito, dapat legitimate, dapat coordinated, at kung wala ng legal remedy, will allow you, but better, will convince him to surrender.
So now he is on his own.
Our prayers are with him.
Anong details sa SP how he was able to get
Hindi ko pa nakita.
there were reports that Senator Robin
It's just like using PS car. It's not illegal. There's no warrant of arrest. Walang obstruction of justice because you know to obstruct justice you have to know. So kung hinahabol ka nila, walang mapakitang warrant sa akin, tinago kita. Walang obstruction of justice 'yon. Pinakita nila sa akin yung warrant, 'di ba? Tapos nag-plot tayo na itago kita.
Sir, as a lawyer, sir, Senator Bato